Here is the GoPro Hero 11 Mini Black unboxing. Just for comparisons, the box is exactly the same size as the original Hero 11 Black, the full-size version. The reasons why we'll get into soon, but essentially it's going to have the same case inside. So first things first. Here you have your quick start guide and a couple of stickers on the back. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay. Camera here. Standard cable that you get with all. Sticky mount. A piece of cardboard. A mini screw. And a standard clip mount. Now this part is best discarded as well. Then you're left with a standard case there. Let's look at the camera. So in there we've got the USB-C port and the memory card slot. And of course that should pop off the same way it does on the other. And there's a rubber gasket around here to keep it waterproof. Standard length GoPro cable. If we just compare size, the GoPro 11, it's slightly thicker, pretty much the same height, although with the legs it does come in slightly taller because the legs are flush with the 11 Black. So not a massive difference size-wise, but the main difference obviously is there's no screen on it. So here's a size comparison between the two screws. This is the mini and this is a standard screw that comes with other GoPros. So now let's turn it on for the first time. English. Yes. Yes. It's SD. So the lens at the front, the SD card goes in this way. And now it asks us to load up the Quik. So strangely, mine didn't come with an SD card like GoPros usually do, but it did come with a handler, waterproof mount. But since I have two of these already, I don't really need that. I'd rather have the SD card, which is a strange one. Let me know if you get an SD card with yours. So anyway, it's asking us to connect the app, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So, loading up the Quik app. Add camera, searching for camera. Found. Okay, now it's connected. So at this point I'm going to name the GoPro. Nice and simple, GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And now it's going to update. Okay, now it's going to transfer the update to the camera. So now the update is installed, it's reconnecting to the camera. So that sound means the update is complete. Your camera software is updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features. Okay, so you need to do that before you can use the camera for the first time. Then I'm going to go ahead and set up auto upload. Okay, now we have it connected. We can zoom in, zoom out. Change the settings there. So that's it. I'm going to be doing a thorough comparison between the 11 Black Mini and the 11 Black standard size. So look out for that video in the future, but the main difference is you can see this has got a front and rear screen, whereas this one has just a screen on the top. The sizing is slightly different. This is smaller overall, but it does have two mounting options as well. And also these heat dissipating fins. So it's going to be an enjoyable comparison, I'm sure. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, you'll be notified when that goes live. And as ever, I'll see you on the next one.